Hi, my name is Antoine and I'm product manager at AppTweak. Today I'm happy to present automated export, which is one of the latest features of AppTweak. We know that it can be quite difficult to pull data using the API when you don't especially have the internal resources. So automated export is a way to pull your AppTweak account data, such as your followed apps, follow keywords, or your integration data to the destination of your choice, such as your data warehouse, Slack, or email. It's a perfect solution for marketing teams. No coding is required. They have actually the files in the correct data format, and it is synced with your AppTweak account automatically. The main use case for automated exports are when you're making regular reporting on, for example, your app performance or your keyword performance, or when you want to make some cross data analysis. It is very useful to have data formatted in a certain way to build your dashboards as well. So for this, automated exports is the perfect solution. Now let's have a look on how automated exports is actually working. One good thing to know is that automated export is linked to your workspace at the top. Here you can choose the frequency, which is tied to your plan of automated export, and choose the destination that you would like to send your data to. Of course, you can also select here the data that you want to export. You have AppTweak data, App Store Connect, Google Play, or Google Play Report. And once you're actually satisfied with the data that you want to export, you can obviously get a sample that will be sent to this destination that you have chosen here. Once that you're convinced by the data and that you would like to receive this export on a regular frequency, you can click on Save Changes. Here, we actually see that my next monthly export will be sent on the 1st of March at 12 p.m. So I can make sure that I can start making my reporting after that time. That's it for the setup of automated exports.